Dean Davison, Storm Surge LLC, lead forecaster and weather manager, with the update coming up for this possible nor'easter next week for the East Coast. New Jersey, those areas don't need any more water buildup, don't need any more bad weather, but it could play out that we could have a situation. But the models are just guidance, so we have to go by what the guidance is showing us, but I'm not going to say that it's definitely going to happen. Taking a look at the 12Z, which is, I don't like the 6 or 18, they're really not reliable, but we're going to look at the 12Z GFS. You can see it does show a low pressure off the coast of North Carolina here, and that would move to the northeast, which is typical of a nor'easter. As you see here, there is some, in this other image, you can see the jet stream dip. So that is an issue. We have to watch the possibility of phasing of the two jet streams if this will come across. This is 12Z GFS. Now we'll take a look at the Euro, which to me is a more consistent model as of late. As you see, the low pressure system off the coast of North Carolina here with the Euro, 12Z Euro, sort of in the same location that the GFS showed, but the problem is we move this to the next 140 hours. This storm actually retrogrades. We get this trough coming in here, trying to get a little bit of a negative tilt to it, and that would cause the storm to retrograde and come back inland before moving out. So that would cause a lot more problems here along the East Coast if the Euro, we can agree with the Euro solution. But like I said, these are models that are guidance. We'll take a look at another one. We got the Canadian model, which shows this low and this low would phase, but it would be further off the coastline and retrograde back in towards Maine. This would be more of a Nova Scotia, Maine issue if this would occur, and less of an issue for the northeast and mid-Atlantic coastline. So that's what we're looking at right now with the models. Temperature for the cleanup also, we need to get near 50 degrees. We've got mostly sunny skies for Saturday, 50 degrees, 49 on Sunday, sunny skies, 50 Monday, most sunny, partly sun on Tuesday before we get to probability precipitation Tuesday through Thursday. Looks like rain right now, but we'd have to watch it closely. But it does show up here in the Delaware Valley forecast for the potential of some precipitation towards the end of next week, which would go with the idea of a nor'easter. Service me through tomorrow evening, 55 tomorrow, 38 slight chance of showers Saturday night, Sunday 55, 53 Monday, 50 Tuesday, and right through the end of the week, less chances here in the Roanoke Valley to see any kind of precipitation from a possible nor'easter. So the northeast has to look out for it. In the upper mid-Atlantic, the southern mid-Atlantic, not as much. Seasonable temperatures and mostly sunny skies look to be the win for the next couple of weeks, next week or so. Excuse me. Stay with live weather blogs, Geo Environmental Atmosphere, New Jersey, PA. I said that wrong. Steve DiMartino from his site, and we'll keep you updated through Storm Surge LLC, which is the parent company. For Storm Surge LLC, is the lead forecaster and weather manager Dean D. Davison. Have a great evening, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow.